Okay, this next video is going to show you how you can edit your calendar if you want to use a calendar with your classes. So I'm going to click on the link for the calendar. And once you go in here, it has a basic calendar set up. Again, you could change the text. I changed this on a kind of a practice page, but again, change your text if you want. Make sure you again click Save Changes. Let me talk about the calendar itself. It's already set up with the current date. Before you go in and add events, like if you want to add an event, you can click on a date and you can add a new event if you want. But what you might want to do is go here and click on Calendar Settings, and you can add different types of events. For example, if this is Ms. Wisniewski's page, she might want a yearbook deadline in there. So what you can do is click Add New Record, and I'm going to put yearbook deadline. And I'm going to make that, an orange color because that's really important. And then make sure you click this little check to insert that. So you have that and it's in a different color. Maybe you want to add tests, like an event that's a test, and put that in red. Again, make sure you click that little check mark and then you'll click apply when you're done. So now when you actually add an event, you're going to click on a date, doesn't matter what date, and you'll click add new event. And then you can choose here the different kinds. So for example, if this is a test, yearbook test, whatever, and maybe it's all day or you want to put a specific time, you can put description, test over layout and design, whatever, the test is about. You could put, whatever information in there and you can click save. Okay, and then there is that event on your calendar. So it's kind of nice. If you don't want to use this particular calendar, if you're already using Google Calendar, there are ways you can embed that Google Calendar into your site, and I can show that in a different video. But that's just the basics of using your calendar, setting it up, and you could have, all your assignments listed on the page so that there's no question as to when something might be due or what's going on. Maybe the day you're bringing your class to a lab or you're using the laptop, so you can always add that to your calendar.